Hi everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to add, edit, and delete users in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your customer information organized makes your business run more smoothly. First, open your browser and go to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Make sure you have your login credentials ready so you can access your account without delays. Once you're signed in, navigate to the main menu and click on the Customers and Leads tab. This is where you manage all customer information from new additions to updates on existing profiles. To add a new customer, click the New Customer button and enter detailed, accurate information. Proper data entry ensures your records stay organized and supports your accounting needs. If you need to update a customer's profile, simply select the customer's name and click Edit. You can correct contact information or make other necessary updates quickly and easily. To remove a customer or make them inactive, click the drop-down arrow next to their name and choose Make Inactive. A confirmation prompt will appear to prevent accidental deletions. Remember, making a customer inactive is reversible, which helps protect your data while keeping your records clean. Maintaining accurate and current customer information improves business operations and enhances customer service. That's it for this tutorial on adding, editing, and deleting users in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our upcoming tutorials to continue learning and mastering QuickBooks